عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم المرء على دين خليله فلينظر أحدكم من يخالل.
Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him, narrated that the Prophet ﷺ said, a person tends to follow the faith and lifestyle of his friends, so be careful who you make friends with.
عن عائشة رضي الله عنها قالت قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم خيركم خيركم لأهلي وأنا خيركم لأهلي.
Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, narrated that the Prophet ﷺ said, the best of you is the one who is best to his own family, and I am the best of you towards my family.
عن أنس بن مالك رضي الله عنه قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم يسروا ولا تعسروا وبشروا ولا تنفروا.
Anas ibn Malik, may Allah be pleased with him, narrated that the Prophet ﷺ said, make things easy for people and do not make them difficult, and cheer people up and do not put them off by your behavior.
عن عبد الله بن عمر رضي الله عنهما قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم صلاة الجماعة تفضل صلاة الفجر ب27 درجة.
The Prophet ﷺ said, prayer offered in Jama'ah is 27 times better than prayer performed alone.